How to fix Rockstar Game Launcher update fail. For this, first step, run the launcher as administrator. Close the Rockstar Game Launcher completely. Open up Task Manager. End all Rockstar Game Launcher. If it's running in background means you need to end the process completely. Close it. After that, you need to right click Rockstar Game Launcher, click Properties, click Compatibility, and make sure run the program as administrator. It should be in enable mode. Click Apply and OK. Step 2. Clear the launcher cache. For this, you need to open up Run or else press Win plus R key. Type the following text percentage local app data percentage and open up Rockstar Games. Click Launcher. Delete the files and folders inside the launcher. Delete completely and close it. After that, you need to open up a Rockstar Game Launcher and check if the problem still remains. Then you move on with the next step. Restore Rockstar Game Library Services. For this, search for Run and type the following text services.msc. Click OK and search for Rockstar Game Library Services. Scroll down and search for Rockstar Game Library Services. Right click it, right click and click Properties and make sure the startup type it should be in automatic or manual is no problem. You can set anyone. The service status should be in running mode. If it stop means you need to start it and make it running mode. After that, click Apply and OK. Once completing after again you need to restart it. After that you need to close it and come to next step restart network settings. For a search for command prompt, click right run as administrative and type the following text ipconfig space slash flush DNS. Click enter. The next command netsh winsock reset. Click enter. And the next command netsh space int space ip space reset. This is an important command. Type it correctly without any spelling mistake and click enter. After that, exit it. Once exit after, you can check it. If the problem still remains, you need to restart it. Again, you need to check it. Thank you.